Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search on the Seek Jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the job search button down below, which is the first option. Then tap on the start your job search section at the top. Type in a keyword that you are looking for and click on any classifications. Here you can find a bunch of options. Tap on the relevant one, you can select more than one. And if you have selected a category, you are free to select from these appearing subcategories. Tap on the button done. And you can also enter your suburb, city or region. After that, you should click on Seek Jobs. And if you want to add further filters, tap on this filter button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can add your salary, and the work types can be selected too. Here you can find all of the results, so feel free to check them out. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.